Welcome, in front of me is a REALME C21 and today I'll show you how to record your screen on this device. So, to get started we'll need to pull down the notification panel and then tap on this box with like a pencil in it to edit it in order for us to add the screen recorder toggle, which as you can see is right over here. So once you find it, grab it, drag it over to the top and drop it. Then we can go back and we should have our screen recorder on one of the pages right here. So once you find it, you can tap on it and this will immediately start recording once you grant permission to basically everything that it wants, assuming it doesn't get stuck like it did for me. Let's try that again. And there we go. So as you can see, it gives us a little quick guide on how to use this. Press the circle, red one, to start recording. Then below that we have settings and then closing this little window. So stop on the circle to start recording. As you can see, it is recording right now. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded. And from there, once you're done, click on this little window again. Click on the square to stop recording. And then the screen recording can be found in your photo gallery, so let's open it up. And there it is. So you can find it either in your photos or also in the category of screenshots or something like that, I believe. I'm gonna check it in a second, but as you can see, there is the recording. And if we go into albums, so it's called, screenshots. So that is how you would record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.